And this review is for a power strip with USB. So thanks a lot to Fararka for sending this out to review and check out. It has 12 outlets on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's go ahead and plug this in and give it some power just so you can see. It has a very nice Velcro strap. So when you do get it to the length that you want, you'll be able to adjust that and tie that up. Okay, so now we've got some power to it. You've got the off button here. You can hit that reset button on and off right there. Okay, and so instead of having to use these bricks anymore, it has a USB plug-in. There's 2 of those, as well as a USB-C plug-in port right here. So very cool. But let's also plug in some other power cords at the same time. Now what I like is that you'll be able to plug in multiple things at once and also on the side. And there's 2 ways to mount this. You can either leave this standing up because it does have rubber feet, rubber grips right here on the bottom, or you could hang it up on a wall with screws that you screw into the wall. 125 volts, 13 amps, 1625 watts, so you can get a lot of things plugged into this, but a great power strip, very versatile, especially with the USB plugins there as well. But this is a great product and highly recommend go grab one of these.